crafters. I just wanted to come back this morning and talk to you a bit about my next project, and it is for Country Craft Creations, a design team project, and I wanted to show you the paper that I have. It's absolutely amazing. It's Prima's Pumpkin and Spice. Now, I know Tamara doesn't have a lot of it in stock right now, but she's going to be getting more in stock in October. So watch for it, and you can take a look at the shop once get into October. I don't have an exact date, but she assured me that she will be getting more of it back in October. So this is absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to show you what I've got, and then I will be coming up with two projects. I think the first one will go up probably next week, sometime, meaning like next weekend or shortly thereafter. And the second one may or may not go up right away, but for sure it'll go up right after the retreat in Utah, because I'm going to be gone for those days. So then it will go up right after that. But let's get into these papers and let's see what I've got. So right off the bat, one of the things that Prima does is that they usually give you 6 designs, and depending upon your package, it could be 2 of each design, and they're double-sided. Well, I shouldn't say 6 designs, it's really 12, because they have 6 pattern papers. So this is one of the fall papers, and it's one that can be used in your mini albums, or you could take and fussy cut these papers and patterns out. And on the back of it is this kind of grungy looking pink and kind of a pumpkin tone on the back of it. One of the other things, though, I should mention is that many of these have foiling on some of the letters, or like in the sides of that one, or around the butterfly or moth in there, and then like the leaves. They're just beautiful. It's really, really a gorgeous paper collection. And then on this one, look at this. This is just absolutely gorgeous with the different colored pumpkins in here. I love the cream and kind of the blue tone pumpkins, but even this pink with the black and white ribbon. Look at the sign up here and the blanket. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I kind of have an idea or thought about fussy cutting some of this out here and then using this, so maybe using it in different sections, not as a whole page. And then here's some graph paper or lined paper, financial, with some looks like newsprint on the back, but really, really nice. So you can see the 2 of those. And then the cut-aparts. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these cut-aparts. They're absolutely beautiful. This one is probably my favorite because I love the boots, but there's so many. Fall, keep calm and enjoy fall. I love fall most of all. Hey there, pumpkin. Friendsgiving, harvest, get cozy. Oh, look at that. And I like that there is some different sizes of them, but I'm so disappointed. Look what's on the back of it. I love the black and white check, but I wish it wasn't on the back of the cut-aparts. So I might have to sacrifice one sheet of those cut-aparts. And then, look at this. Is this amazing or what? With the foiling on it and the pumpkins and the different patterns. Like this one has some print in there or some script. And then there is the checks blanket in here. The blue one with the sunflowers up there. This one up here is just gorgeous. And the pine cones. Oh, there's so many pine cones in this collection that they've given us to use. Flowers. I think it's a magnolia. And then on the back of that is this wonderful kind of peachy toned pink. And then with the newsprint in the background. Now remember, we've talked about this before. Remember to keep those branding strips because you can utilize those for cards or other parts of your design. Okay, I want to say to every single one of these are my favorite. This is one of my absolute favorites. It's got like that graph paper in the background and it's foiled with newsprint and flower bouquets or groupings of flowers, the sunflowers, with just kind of a minty teal in the background. A little bird in here. Oak leaves. Just beautiful. And on the back of that is kind of a rustic looking, almost looks similar to a wallpaper that is kind of burgundy browns in it, and it's worn in areas. And then again, these amazing branding strips. Cut those off for some cards. Look at this. This is really a very precious pink. I call it precious because it's such a light toned pink. And I like this kind of a pink. It really is very pretty, but it's not too harsh looking. So we've got some of the oak leaves, maple leaves. Can't tell you what any of these other ones are, but they're beautiful. And then there is some newsprint in the background that is foiled. And on the back of here is a grid with some newsprint, white. Looks like a washed out white type of wall or flooring. And then I got some matching solid papers to go with the collection. And these are the colors that I got. Here, let me take a look at those. See if I can show you. Let me see if I can pull out a paper or two. So, kind of looking at it like that. Or and pull out a couple more here. Look at that. Just, they complement them very well. I'm not sure about that one, but on the back of that, there is one I was going to, this one too. Look at that. How pretty that looks with the pink and the green. So, really lovely different colors. The other thing that I got to go with this is some of the, oh my goodness. I can't think of the name of it. Is that terrible or what? You know me, my brain. You know what I'm talking about. It's ribbon, but really, really pretty colors to that. If we even take and lay that on the top of here, look at that. Just how nice that those colors work with any one of those patterns on there. Just really, really pretty. So like those. And last but certainly not least, we've got our ephemera. And this is the ephemera pack that I got, and I hope that you can see it all. It's just absolutely beautiful. They're just such beautiful bouquets, you know, like with a piece of orange in there, orange cut, the leaves, floral bouquets of flower, another smaller bouquet. So very, very excited about that. I love those. And the other thing that I got in there were a couple sheets of some chipboard, the medium weight chipboard. But I am going to get started on my projects, actually today probably. I have an idea for my first project, and it's going to be a little bit different than what I've done. Well, maybe not. Something new though for me. I haven't done it before. So, and then the second one project that I'm going to be doing is also something that you can get ready for Thanksgiving and for gift giving. And in fact, the first project is kind of meant for gift giving as well. So getting you all set for Thanksgiving and fall, and you can even translate both of them into items for gifts for Christmas as well, just using your Christmas paper. So I hope you enjoyed this collection as much as I do. I am absolutely in love with it. It is the most beautiful collection ever. So I even ordered some of this for myself because I wanted to do a couple more projects with it. And we'll see what we get with that too. So thanks very much, everybody. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate your subscribing to my channel, letting me know that if you like the projects, likes the papers, if you have ideas for future projects, please let me know. I always would love to hear what you would like to see. And I had one suggestion from a viewer that was looking at doing more folios. And I do have an idea for a folio coming up, but not in this set of pattern paper. I don't think so. I've got those two ideas that are a little bit different. We're going to do those. So thanks so much for staying till the end. Have an awesome day and enjoy this fall weather.